Hello, I'm Olaf from Climaexpert Climaexpert, and today I'm just going to explain the difference between a mono unit and a split unit. So a split unit you can only use when you have an outside area to place the external fan unit. So that means you need to have a balcony or a ledge. That's when you can use a split unit. Otherwise you have to use a mono unit and take the hot air hose and put the hot air hose outside the window. Now the difference between these two types of units is, of course, is the noise and the efficiency. This is considerably louder and this is considerably quieter. And it's more efficient because the heat that this machine generates has to be thrown out the window, whereas this one, the heat and the condensation is transported outside and dissipated outside. So in other words, you have about 25% more efficiency. Now you can hear the sound difference between a mono unit and a split unit.